Well, here we are. We have started the Handbuilt Show 2019, and as you can see, it's pretty lame. This is what it's like outside. We got the Hooligan races. It smells pretty stinky out here, but apparently these people like cool shit. So let's go walk around and see what everybody's doing. Hi.
How's it going?
It's going all right. Doing all right, man?
So far, so good.
Awesome. Dude, yeah, they're tearing it up. So this is obviously the first year we've had this here. We had the dirt track, the flat track 2 years ago. We usually have the Wall of Death, but we thought this year would be kind of exciting to have this. And so far, it's awesome. I mean, it's fucking great. They're gonna be racing later. It's gonna be good. You'll see it. You'll see it all. Hi, Ian.
Hi.
Let's go inside. It's bright out here. You guys like food? We got it. Oh God. I would say let's talk to Craig Rodsmith, but we talk to him every time. Yeah, we know.
I'm going to stay a bit longer because I'm having so much fun. This is a swell place to come to if you like motorcycles.
Yes.
It's really
And
swell.
or fucked up shoes, apparently. Anyways.
I have shoe envy now.
All right, continue. This is what it looks like to be inside of the Handbuilt Show. Got about 140 bikes, as you probably know or may not know, from builders all over the world. And yeah, let's go find some people to talk to about their motorcycles. Excuse me. What's up, dude? Hey guys. Sweet camera. Here we go. Let's talk to these guys. Are y'all looking at bikes or the column?
Actually, the bikes.
Awesome.
We were
Look at the
talking
horse.
about
Oh, you were looking at that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, that's pretty sweet, all that asbestos.
Yeah, it's really nice. Blood, the yellow.
Are you guys having a good time?
Oh,
having
awesome.
a great time.
Yes.
Where are y'all from?
San Antonio.
Oh, so right down the road.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are y'all in town for this?
Specifically
Awesome.
for this.
Great.
And every year.
Have you really?
Uh-huh.
That's amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Do y'all stay the whole, what's up, I'm sorry?
I was gonna say, are you putting it on?
Yeah, me and the shop that I work at, what's called Revival Cycles.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we put this on, and
Okay.
glad you guys are here.
Yeah.
Were y'all here last night too?
No.
Okay.
Just come up for the day on Saturday.
Did y'all just get here?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Well, I was gonna ask you what your favorite bike is, but you don't know yet.
Yeah, don't know yet.
So
Okay.
far,
Yeah.
mine is the Moto Guzzi right here.
Yeah, that one's cool.
Yeah, I like that.
And I've never seen someone look so unhappy before. That was weird. Okay.
Doesn't want to be here, I guess.
All right. Maybe I'll catch up with you guys soon.
All right.
Thanks for
Thank
coming.
you so much. You
Yeah,
bet.
yeah.
That's great.
I want to try to find people that look like they don't want to talk to me. That's the best.
What a professional.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Hey, how are
I
you?
haven't seen you in forever.
Do you even live here anymore?
I do.
Oh,
I just am fucking MIA, man.
I was only photobombing y'all's picture because I was going to talk to you about your bike.
Oh, good. I'm doing video for Wild Gypsy, so I can get some video of that.
I have a bike. Where is it?
I don't know.
I don't know
I
either.
heard you wrote it here.
That's mine. I mean, stop touching it.
Is that yours, really? I mean, did she build that for you?
I wish.
Hey, it's good. I want to talk to you in a little bit. It's good to see you.
So,
First of all, how are you?
I'm fantastic. This is a dream come true, so I still kind of can't believe I'm here.
Really?
Really?
I mean, okay, that's great. I'm glad you're here too.
This is the holy grail of motorcycle shows.
Oh
for
man.
me. So it's the first bike I've ever built. So
Really?
to be first one, start to finish.
You knocked it out of the park right away.
Thank
You know what that means? That means the next one you build is going to be like, there's a lot of pressure.
Well, see, my mom waited 2 weeks before asking me, well, how are you going to top the first one? And then the panic set in. So So
Do you have something in mind for your next one?
I want to do a cafe racer next. I love the Honda CBs. I have two 750s, one 350, all of which are project bikes, not running, and sitting in my garage.
Can they run, or do they need like engine rebuilds and stuff?
One of them needs an engine rebuild. One of them needs an engine.
Fantastic.
All varying states of reconstruction.
Well, tell me about this one.
So this is a 1984 Yamaha XT600. The entire build was the idea of and sponsored by Tobacco Motorwear.
Okay.
So they knew I was apprenticing to learn to build bikes, and they presented me with the idea of let's give you a bike, let's make this happen. So I never actually completed a bike before. They provided me with the donor. They gave me an idea of what they wanted. The leather used here is the same leather used on their branding for their jeans, on their hats.
Awesome.
And one thing they wanted is they wanted the bike to showcase their products. They have Kevlar-lined jeans, among other riding clothing, but the jeans are in denim and in black, and that's what's going to be against the bike the most. So I tried to avoid using black on the bike as much as possible so that when you have a rider seated on the bike,
Yeah, there's that.
their product stands out.
I love the
So-
colors, by the way.
Thank you. So I had their leather. I worked around that. The cream just seemed to go really well with it, and I used more of a unfinished. I guess I'm trying to think of how to describe it. The metal finish is chosen to be a little bit more rugged because it's a bit of an adventure bike.
Yeah,
it's something
absolutely.
that's going to be ridden and loved and enjoyed. I want it to wear well, so
Yeah.
hopefully, as great as it looks now, I want it to look even better with scratches on it.
They always do.
That's the objective. It's a
So is this
Yeah.
yours? I mean, and by that I mean like you don't have to like give it back to them or anything.
no,
or-
it's their bike.
Ah.
So it's a bittersweet love-hate relationship.
No, I get it. That's the thing with those things sometimes, you know.
Well, this is I'm a cafe racer person
Yep.
at heart. So building this bike was definitely a whole new adventure, a whole new learning experience for me. I'm very proud of how far I've come because I got to use everything I've learned in the last few years constructing this bike.
Amazing.
And I'm actually very excited to see somebody else enjoying it because
Yeah.
I love spending time in the garage. I love wrenching. I love welding. So as long as I have a bike on the lift to work on,
You're
I'm
good.
happy.
That's great. Awesome. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate
It's good talking to you again. Yeah. All right. Well,
I didn't say too many times.
no,
I did.
I'm the worst at that. Or dude. I say dude all the time.
What's up, bro?
All right, dude. We'll see you.
Thanks so much.
Thank you so much. Who else? Who wants it? What are you guys talking about?
You, man.
What are you really talking about?
Your golden locks.
Oh, MotoGP?
Yeah.
Are you guys going today?
Probably tomorrow.
Okay. Y'all hanging out here all day?
Yes.
Are you?
Yeah, hanging out here.
Are you? Are you? That's all I got. Thanks. Man, I was really hoping to see PJ Manning, the guy we did that little mini Indian for. I saw him earlier. I want to see him again. Oh, there he is. This guy. PJ! How's it going, man?
Did you see that little girl?
No.
No. Well, the little boy is like a year and a half, right? The little girl's like 5, and they were looking at the mini Pearl, right?
Yeah.
And I said, he wanted to get on it. I said, okay, but Daddy tried to set him on it. He started crying. Okay, I bet your sister got more than you got. She goes, yeah, I want to get on. So I took it off the stand, and she sat on some. Daddy got a picture of her
That's awesome.
sitting on it. She's like 5. It made her day. You know, it's pretty cool.
Hell yeah, man. I'm glad you're back.
What are you on the air or something?
Well, I'm not on air, but
Is this thing on? Hey,
it
no.
sure is.
Anyway, but
So
yeah,
this
I
is
was-
PJ. He's the one that's got the big Indian,
Let me
little
hide the
Indian.
beer. You want to go over there?
Yeah, let's go talk about it, man. Hell yeah, man. Yeah, man.
The only thing that freaked me out was that back tire of that bike touching my tailpipe.
Is it gone now? I mean, is it up now?
But see, it's leaning up against the tailpipe.
Yeah, we'll scoot it up a little bit. You having a good
Kinda
time?
makes me think, oh yeah, have a great time.
Are you gonna be here all day or what?
I'm gonna be here as long as until I pass out, or you know.
That's me. That's what
what's
I'm gonna
next?
do.
I'll look for you. I've been looking for you like. 20
Yeah,
minutes.
I've been running around like crazy. Just,
Donna, you remember Alex?
yeah, of course.
You got her Indian jacket on.
I know,
Look,
she's
I'm
ready.
representing. Check
You
that
are,
out.
man.
You know what I'm talking about?
You need to get some royalties
But yeah,
from them.
they're all like, but see that saddlebag, that's the thing.
No, well, yeah,
That's the only thing.
we'll get on it. Yeah.
But see inside these, look. I know you're busy, but
No, it's okay.
you gotta see inside.
Yeah, absolutely.
So
Yeah,
you
it's
put a
hard in
plastic
there.
box in there, some washers, pull it up. Mexican Mafia or what do you say? It's the one right over there against that pylon there.
I know what you're talking
Around
about.
the big front. Man, I love that bike's sweet, man.
Yeah, there's
That
some-
bike was sweet. It was a sweet bike. There's a lot of sweet bikes in here.
Would you ever ride a vintage bike again?
Oh yeah. Oh hell yeah.
I didn't know if it was one of those things where like,
Well,
fuck it.
I've got a 58 panhead.
Yeah, I knew
Yeah,
that.
and- yeah, but
When-
it beats you to death.
When am I going to see that thing?
When I trailer it to a show and ride it in,
Gotcha.
3 or 4 miles.
Is it original or is it?
Oh yeah, well it's restored, but not by y'all.
Yep.
Y'all did this, but we're working our way up.
Start small, and if you
Just see
guys
how
pass
you
the
do.
test,
Yeah, exactly.
we'll go
you
with
know.
the big stuff.
Well, you know they don't get any cheaper. You know.
No, it's the same, right? No matter what.
It's
that's
expensive,
that's a
man.
big misconception that people
if you
have.
want it restored, you need to get it restored by. And y'all were actually referred to me by Indian.
Yeah, that's great.
Hey man, I got this, but I want a good job. And they said, go see Revival. Where's that at? Palm Road? That sounds like a trap house.
Yeah,
Went
right.
over and knocked on the door. You know,
I remember when you were there. You
Yeah.
had that thing in the back of your truck.
Yeah. And you remember what it looked like, right?
Yeah, it looked like shit. This is still my favorite part of it.
What? Oh, me too, man. And when I lit it up, yeah, a guy was asking me a while ago. And I said, yeah, I said, they actually did that off a laser printer because I wanted the war bonnet, which is what I saw,
Yeah.
to match Big Pearl. And I said, the thing, he goes, man, they did a great job.
Yeah, we
I said,
3D printed that.
3 or 4 people told me, y'all did a great job. I said, yeah, and he said, well, how did you get the war bonnet? They didn't make those. I said, no. I said, they did off a laser printer. And all they went from, I said, so they had that bike? I said, no. They did it off a photograph,
Yeah,
off the phone.
yeah.
That's how they modeled it after this one.
Yeah, you can kind of figure out what kind of
Off
the
a
scale is
phone.
supposed to be and do all that
Yeah,
stuff.
but, I mean, and it's like the leather, you know, it doesn't perfectly match or any of that, but, oh, there's my piece pipe.
Oh man, what's up with that thing? Where'd you get that?
You got the medicine bag over here. Got your little medicine bag over here, everything you need's in there.
Where did you get this thing?
I had that made, well, Navajo Indian made this, God, 10 years ago for me. And I just stopped, because you see the bike over there with
Does it work?
you see with the Mexican or
Blanket?
Hispanic
Yeah.
blanket.
Mhm.
And I thought, I want to put my peace pipe on Pearl.
Yeah, it's great.
And but yeah.
Are we gonna smoke out of it?
Well, eventually, but this is just burnt for, you know, it has never been smoked
Aesthetic.
out of. Yeah, you can smell it. It's no tobacco or anything like that.
Yeah.
But after this is over with, once I get home, I mean, you didn't just record that, did you? No.
Nope. No, you're good.
Not that I know anything about that.
Yeah,
but
I heard it was. I heard it.
medicinal purposes. only. Yeah,
exactly.
you know, sweat in or something like that. Yeah.
You can go to a sweat lodge and really do it. PJ, thanks for talking, man.
Yes, sir. Hey, man, Alex, good to see you.
Yeah, man, it's great.
You bet.
I'll see you guys in a little
Yeah,
bit.
but y'all did a great job, man. I think it's really good, really cool,
I love it.
really cool. Yeah, it's a little.
Did you see the video of me riding it?
No.
I'll send it to you.
Oh yeah, you hadn't sent me that yet.
Yeah, I'll send it to
I didn't know
you.
it would hold anybody our side.
It doesn't. I
Yeah.
just wanted to.
Well, that doesn't matter.
Yeah, yeah.
We rode shit we wasn't supposed to ride all our lives. You know what I mean? Still
Exactly.
doing it. Yeah,
Exactly.
obviously, yeah. At
Right
my
on.
age, I still hold that big rascal in the way.
Dude, that's a big old thing.
Stopping's the hard part. Going's
Yeah,
cool.
going's fun. Cruising's easy.
Yeah, just hit the throttle.
Yeah, exactly.
What can happen?
Y'all be cool, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, see y'all soon. Yeah. All right, well, it's early. Not a lot of builders are here yet. Hi. I mean, some of them are, the nerds. But it's 2:25. That's early as far as whatever. People aren't here yet. So it'll happen. We're gonna be doing this all day. It's gonna be good. And tomorrow, this guy's intense. Yeah, we'll talk to you soon. Bye.